Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much for inquiring to our post, The Complete Financial Plan by Kaiser, which offers hospitalization, disability benefits, natural death, accidental death, and retirement funds. So all in one package na po ito, and I'm gonna explain kung ano yung ibang benefits na ating makukuha kapag nagsimula tayo ng ating Kaiser plan. By the way, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Rose. Sardido, Associate Financial Planner. I've been with this amazing community since year 2014. So 11 years na po tayo and I represent Kaiser. And for your inquiries, you can contact me on the details that you can see on our screen. So about our company, Kaiser International Health Group, na-establish po tayo noong July 26, 2004. So in other words, we're running 21 years in the industry. And we are also accredited with the major hospitals here in the country, more than 25,000 doctors, accredited doctors and hospitals and clinic. We also have Kaiser Medical Center, and of course, this is our 24/7 hotline. Dito sa Pilipinas, majority ng mga accredited hospital, major hospitals accredited po ng Kaiser. So dito sa amin sa Bohol, Tagbilaran City, major private hospitals po accredited din po ng Kaiser. So if you want to check for other locations, so nandito po sa link na ito, kaiserhealthgroup.com, no, /map/index.html for more information kung ano yung mga accredited hospitals po sa ating mga lugar. Right? So also Kaiser is the current provider ng Supreme Court sa healthcare at the same time sa ating Senate and the Congress. So even the government bodies trusted this organization. So we also offer individual long-term care plans sa ating mga kasamang mga Pinoy nandito man sa Pilipinas or outside the country. So the difference between traditional healthcare or traditional HMO versus itong long-term healthcare na ino-offer natin sa Kaiser. Sa short-term HMO, ito yung mga kadalasan ino-offer ng mga company, renewal not guaranteed if with high claims. So example, if nagkasakit, malaki yung claim, may chance na hindi tayo ma-approve. Whereas dito sa long-term healthcare, sa Kaiser, renewal is guaranteed. So sa short-term HMO, yearly increase of premium. So habang tumataas ng edad, tumataas din yung ating babayarang premium. Whereas dito sa Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare, fixed lang po yung premium at 7 years lang po tayo mag-iipon. And dito sa traditional healthcare lang po talaga. So generally, wala siyang insurance coverage. And dito, on top of the hospitalization, meron pa tayong term life insurance for natural death, accidental death, waiver. So maaaring ma-fully paid yung plan in case of death of the plan holder. At the same time, if for disability. So yan yung coverage. Again, on top of hospitalization, we also have four-way insurance coverage for our long-term healthcare plan. And of course, traditional HMO, no accumulation of unused health funds, no return of premium. In other words, kapag hindi nagamit, wala pong money back or hindi mababalik kahit piso sa lahat ng nabayad po natin. Whereas dito sa long-term healthcare, all unused health funds, no, kapag hindi nagamit, mas maganda kasi tumutubo po siya with interest. At the same time, kapag wala talagang claims, 85% ng total contract price po natin, mababalik po siya at maturity. And of course, for short-term healthcare, kapag 60 na tayo, maaaring hindi na tayo ma-renew. However, dito sa long term, even beyond age 60, no, with long-term healthcare yields. And dito sa short-term or traditional HMO, kapag meron na tayong pre-existing illnesses, posible na hindi tayo matanggap. Whereas dito sa long-term healthcare, covered na po lahat ng pre-existing conditions after 7 years of coverage. And of course, dito, not flexible, not transferable. Dito, flexible, transferable, and upgradable, and maybe redated design. So, pwede siya po siyang malipat sa ating primary beneficiaries. Andito, kapag hindi nakabayad at lumampas ng 30 days, maaari nang ma-forfeit yung plan. Whereas dito, 2 years pa po yung ating reinstatement period. So kapag hindi nakapagbayad ng 2 years, meron pang chance na pwede ma-activate, which has enough time na po siya para maka-recover kung ano man yung mga financial crisis na pinagdadaanan po natin. Dito sa short term, hanggat kailangan natin magbayad. So, hindi siya, walang katapusan ng pagbabayad. Dito sa long term, 7 years naman po tayong magbabayad or pwedeng spot cash payment napakaswak po ito sa mga employees, sa mga OFWs, and sa mga seaman or sa mga ordinary Filipino kasi hindi naman po tayo forever nagtatrabaho. So 7 years is enough for us to accumulate the funds. After 7 years, fully paid na po yung ating plan at mai-enjoy na po natin yung healthcare as years go by. So which is good, all right? So how it works po? So Kaiser answers the three possibilities of life. So three things that can happen to us. What if we die too soon? We'll take care of our family. So we have life insurance or instant money. And if we get sick, so meron tayong healthcare or yung hospitalization benefit. And of course, if we live too long, this is good news, no? And if we live too long, we'll take care of us. So solution is investment money working for you, which Kaiser can also offer kasi kapag hindi natin nagamit yung ating plan early on, yung ating contributions or yung savings po natin, tumutubo po siya with interest, which is the best part of this one. Kasi sa traditional healthcare nga, kapag hindi nagamit, ano na, parang disposable na siya. Whereas dito, tumutubo at habang tumatagal, lalong lumalaki yung ating fund value. Right? So how it works, 7 years lang po yung ating saving period. After that, fully paid. So sample plan po ito, 58,821 times 7 years, so 411,000. So marami pong plans na available. Meron pong cheaper plans, meron din pong more expensive plans. For this example, K100 plan, 58,000. Yung total na na-save po niya is 411,000 in 7 years. After 7 years, 22 siya nag-start. Halimbawa lamang po ito, 29 na fully paid. After that, hindi na siya magbabayad pero yung kanyang coverage continues habang tumutubo yung kanyang pera, growing period or extended period, 13 years, so guaranteed savings po yung savings na 411,000 naging 1.1 million. So at maturity, ito yung maturity, pwedeng kunin lahat ng pera or pwedeng ipagpatuloy. So for example, hindi pa siya nagre-retire, pinagpatuloy niya yung kanyang funds at age 60 naging 10.4 million pesos, which is enough if ever magkasakit tayo kapag matanda na tayo or pwede natin i-convert to cash or retirement benefits. So ano ba yung mga benefits natin dito? First 7 years na nag-save po tayo, meron tayong annual physical exam or APE. Ano ba yung coverage? Ito, yung pagbasa ng doktor ng result, chest x-ray, fecalysis, urinalysis, CBC, ECG, pap smear for female. So hindi po madideduct po ito sa ating pera kasi freebie lamang po ito, as well as dental benefit, yung tooth extraction, dental cleaning, unlimited check-up sa mga accredited dentist po natin. And of course, after first to 7 years, covered din po tayo ng basic health benefits. So in case na ma-hospitalize po tayo, so yung coverage po natin depende po sa plan na kinuha po natin. But after the accumulation period, which is the extended period, so fully paid na yung ating plan, 8 to 20th year, so meron din tayong annual health benefit, covered na yung mga outpatient, inpatient, pre-existing condition, dreaded illnesses, maternity benefit, dental benefit, annual health benefit, plus additional health benefits. So marami tayong benefits. Again, lahat ng pre-existing conditions covered, 8th year to 20th year, dito sa extended period, ang lahat ng mga dreaded illnesses. So again, sa first 7 years, basic illnesses lang yung covered, but after ma-fully paid, lahat na ng ating lahat na ng klaseng sakit po covered as long as pasok po siya sa limit po ng ating plan. Alright, so may insurance coverage on top sa hospitalization for natural death, for accidental death, in case of accident yung cause of death, times 2 po yung insurance na matatanggap ng family, waiver of installment due to death and disability. So in kaso po, while nag-save po tayo, hindi pa tayo na fully paid, kinuha tayo ni Lord, wag naman sana, knock on wood, yung ating plan, no, ma-inherit ng ating beneficiary na fully paid kasi meron siyang waiver of membership fees due to death and total and permanent disability. So what will happen? In case of that, ma-transfer po ito sa ating primary beneficiary. So siya yung mag-inherit ng plan, makatanggap siya ng life insurance, at the same time fully paid na po yung plan na kanyang mamanahin po. So walang sayang na pera po dito in case we die too soon, mamamana pa din ng ating beneficiaries yung ating pinagpagura na savings dito sa Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare. So may nagtanong po, no, in case na malapse yung payment, so again, yung ating grace period is 30 days. Kapag hindi nakapagbayad ng 30 days, malapse or mapending, pero meron pang 2 years na pwede natin i-reinstate wherein pwede natin i-update. So bayaran lahat ng butal or i-redate po. So ma-offset lang yung ating payment. So again, two ways of activating the plan, updating and redating. So of course, no, mas maganda kasi 2 years pa mas malaki yung allowance before ma-forfeit yung ating plan, which is enough time na po para makarecover po tayo if ever meron tayong mga financial crisis na dumating sa buhay po natin. Alright? So, for retirement, no, of course, kapag hindi natin nagamit yung ating plan, hindi tayo nagkasakit, hindi tayo kinuha ni Lord kasi healthy po tayo. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Kasi again, 85% yung pwedeng mabalik kapag wala tayong claims talaga. And of course, tumutubo po yan with interest. So our savings, ini-invest po siya sa mga investments institution. Your savings continue on growing with interest. So during maturity, mas malaki na yung ating makukuhang benefit. And if nag-mature na yung ating plan, congratulations. Dalawang option po, pwede natin i-withdraw lahat or ipagpatuloy natin yung pag-enjoy sa healthcare benefit at kunin lang natin kung kailan natin kailangan. Okay, so that again, two options, full withdrawal and continue to enjoy the benefits. Okay, so for the plan options, ito po, 10 to 40 years old for K45, 2,647 per month. Mas maganda if annual kasi makasave po tayo ng 2 months. And the recommended plan, K100, kasi itong plan po na ito, yung magmamature ng 1.1 million. So 5,882 per month. If annual, 10 months lang yung babayaran instead na 12 months kasi meron po tayong 2 months discount, 58,821. So again, screenshot po natin yung page na ito para makapagpili tayo ng plan na swak sa age po natin at the same time pasok po sa ating budget. And for more information, pwede po nating itanong sa taong nag-invite po sa atin or sa nag-share po sa atin sa video na ito. Okay, so in my case, I already fully paid my first plan. As of now, ongoing na po ako sa second plan. Napakabilis po ng panahon, no? Hindi po natin namamalayan fully paid na pala, no? Kasi nagastos yung pera, at least na-save natin. So, naghihintay na lamang po tayo kung kailan magmamature po yung ating plan. And if ever mag-start ka na ngayon, so of course, ipag-pray din natin na magiging fully paid din yung ating nasimula na savings program. Okay, so marami na din pong mga claims na na-receive or na-release ng Kaiser. So, of course, you can go to their Facebook page and website as well for more testimonials about this amazing community. And of course, me personally, no, I already released claims. No, ito po yung death claim na na-release po OFW. 2 years pa lang yung plan na-release po sa kanyang family. So I personally handle the check. So which is, makasasabi talaga natin na totoo kasi I experience granting a claim to a plan holder. So that's for a death claim. And I also experienced awarding maturity benefits kasi na fully paid na yung kanyang plan, nag-mature yung kanyang plan. So of course, kapag may itinanim, may aanihin. So again, I already experienced handling claims for death and maturity awarding. So which is good. So of course, kung meron talaga tayong savings program na na-start, of course, meron na tayong aasahan in the future. Okay? So that's it. So the good news, guys, no? Meron tayong chance na ma-free yung ating sariling healthcare plan through the entrepreneurship benefits. You can be a broker of Kaiser, and if you earn referral commissions, pwedeng malibre yung sarili nating Kaiser. At the same time po, pwede tayong mag-earn ng extra income. So again, we will train you as the person who invited you to discuss more about the entrepreneurship benefits. So hindi lang po Kaiser yung pwede nating ma-offer because IMG, our broker company, is a one-stop shop of all your financial needs. So on top of healthcare, we can also offer life insurance, non-life, investment, real estate, allied financial services, and we earn commissions on that. Wala po tayong quota. So again, open to all po ito. And if ever gusto mong mag-apply as an entrepreneur here in IMG, we will guide you on how to get started. All right, so that's it. No, thank you so much. And if you want to learn more or get started, no, ito po yung mga financial solutions natin. We have offer workshops, education, application, entrepreneurship for those who want to earn extra income. Of course, this is a mission kasi this is what the world needs, guys. And ito po yung mga checkout options. Pwede po tayong bank, cash, over-the-counter deposit. You can deposit directly to the account numbers of International Marketing Group, the official broker of Kaiser. And of course, guys, if you have any questions, you can message me on my cell phone, email on my link bio, and of course, my Facebook account and visit in our office. And if ever meron tayong mga tanong, again, don't hesitate to contact me for more information. So I hope you learned a lot from this, and this may be the opportunity that you're looking for to have a better future. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.